lovely viewers. Subscribe, like, share my channel sMagic on YouTube. So today we are making chicken with skin. So I have taken nice good 6 pieces, thigh and legs, and the spices will I put chili flakes, 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon red chili powder, then according to the taste, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half tablespoon ginger paste and 2 tablespoon garlic paste. And I also put 2 tablespoon olive oil and 1 lemon squeezed. The thing is that today we will make this chicken in the air fryer. Okay, so let's add everything. So I put all the spices. When I entered the kitchen, I have washed my hands. I always tell you. Then we'll add ginger garlic paste, because you have to mix it with the hand. Then I'll add olive oil. I'll squeeze the lemon also. I've taken out the seeds of the lemon. I've preheated the air fryer for 10 minutes. I'll mix it in front of you. Just check. See? Nicely. Juices are here, yummy juices. We'll put 1 cut also. So then the juices and spices will go inside. Yummy, yummy chicken. This time I said I should make it in the air fryer. Something different. So you will like it. And now I'll put it in the air fryer. It's over here, you can see. I put the remaining spices also, so then it won't be dry, it will be juicy, nice from inside as well. Yummy, yummy. Now put so now we'll cook in the air fryer this chicken for 30 minutes. Then we'll turn it over. We'll turn the chicken for more 30 minutes. So like this, it will be cooked in 1 hour. And then we'll see the result.